strong.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn That Turn. And today we are going to create a Unity game. That's right, a Unity game. And if you are a complete beginner to Unity, it's absolutely cool because today it is an absolute beginner tutorial. So this is what the game looks like. There's gonna be 4 parts to this game, and if you want to complete this game, you have to watch all 4 parts of the tutorial, and I will make everything as a playlist so it's easy. And let's get into it! So in the previous video, we made our levels, we made the balls, we made a couple of levels, and we also set triggers for this, and we also had restarts. Now, today's episode is gonna be of no coding. I guess you guys are happy. And it's all about game design. So, point 1 is, first of all, I don't like this good-looking skybox. We could be in a structured room. So for that, we'll just add another cube. Okay, come on. Just size, what's the size of my plane? King, Control V. Put this in. Wait. Still not fine. Bit longer and position this. So I'm making it like a room type of thing. You can make it anything you want, if you like. Or if you like my idea, you can go ahead with that. And another special thing about our directional light, we haven't even touched, is that if we rotate a directional light, you can see a difference in time. So let me show more clearly. Where's my sun? Yeah, there it is. So I can make it sunset if you like. But sadly I'm going to delete the directional light. Okay, so where's that beautiful sunset? Yes, there it is. So I'm just gonna reset the transform. Wait. Mine's 30 here always, right? Okay, so this is completely black. And now I'll add this part, so just duplicate this, move it like that, rotate this exactly, fit through -90, and then put it here. Sorry, move this thing. Okay, I think it's fine. I'll place target a little bit front. And of course I have to add a roof also. So I'll duplicate one of this, turn it fully, put this thing like that. This doesn't have to be so perfect because we won't be viewing from the top, so it's fine. Okay, now we just put black here. Whoa, cool. So where's my directional light? There you are. Now I'm just gonna delete the directional light. Okay, so even if you come out, it's dark. But if you got a game object, light, and point light, okay, this is gonna take some time. It generates thing like that. Can make its range big, make it intensity. 1 second. Or we can also add back a directional light. You can use Control Z. Oh yeah, there it is. Minus 90, yeah. And scale is actually. I think that's fine. Okay, that's also fine. Now, of course, it's still like that. Doesn't look good at all. So we can rotate our directional light in such a way that we can see everything. Maybe I'll delete that and scale this up a bit more. And also rotate this thing. Yeah, so now I can see the target. Okay, so we'll just generate our own material and our colors. Or you can get from the asset store if you want. I will fix my asset store as soon as possible. Underscore Dewey. Drew. Just drag and drop these. We don't necessarily need to add it for this guy, because we won't be seeing it. Come on. Yes, and which one's good? No, can't be the same color. Okay, I'm happy with that. And you may notice, okay, what is the lava doing right here? And we could delete it, but I'll just keep it. Okay, I like this. So now, if you go to game object, effects, particle system, that generates a particle system. Yeah, well, and you see these cubes just sprinkling out of nowhere. So we can increase the duration a bit more, start lifetime a bit more, start speed. That'll increase the speed of it. You can position this bit down if you will like, and you can see all of that. And then start color. You can give any color you like. I'll give it a yellow tint. And then if you go to emission rate over time, just increase that. And shape, angle, like covering the whole room, angle covering the whole room. And then we are gonna go on render, click on this button under material. Click on that. I think this would be good. I love this. So now if we go in our game view, you see everything it's like that. But soon if you get close, wait, where is that gone? Where's the particles? Oh, there it is. As we get close to it, you might have noticed that the color is actually changing. This looks cool. Sadly, it's more of up and less of down. So what I'm going to do for that is, I want to go to our player, and I just want to delete, delete our Y. It doesn't make fun at all. Just go and easily come back, and we can also change the particle system if you want. Change that. Or a square. Square is fine. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then all of these, I can click on these walls. Control to select more than one. And our cube mesh render is something called matte room. You can select the last one. This is really amazing. Select that. You are pretty unhappy. Yeah, but as you go closer and closer and closer and closer, you'll see that the color is changing. And then you'll say, wow, it's so amazing. And it is. Now there's quite a bit of a problem that we can't even jump to the blue area. So we can make this back to cylinder. Now it'll look much better. I'll make these also, or even the ground. See, cylinder. No, that's not a good idea. Not the ground. Just this. I will make it this. And I will make it a cylinder. Same for this. That's not seen so fine, but it's fine. This is a cylinder again. Okay, that's cool. For our walls over here, we'll start to put the wooden texture. So I'll go to the asset store. This one I've downloaded already, got it working. So I'll just click on import. This will take a bit of time. So I'm just gonna fast forward. So once it's done, there will be a pop-up. You can just click on, just make sure this is checked, the name of the package, and then you can just click all here, and then you can just click import. So I'll just fast forward again. Okay, so when it's done, you would have another folder. So in my case, I have another folder. So I'll just double click on that. And there are many things. So you can just basically drag and drop. So I'll say blue for the first one. And if you drag and drop in anything, well, texture changes. So you can see there's something like this. So what you're gonna do for that is, this is a height map. This is called a height map. So if you click on this cube and this wooden tile blue, just click on this button, which opens up everything and has a normal map, an actual map, and a height map. So if you go near it, like if you see from far, you think it's 3D, but if you just go close to it, it's actually flat. So the height map gives the effect. So that's cool. So just drag and drop whatever color I want. Maybe this will do. No, that won't do. Nope. Still no. I think blue is only fine. Materials. Down. Not that. I put the ground, I put this texture. And blue for all of these. With our game view, you can see it's all textured. And for the target, I'm also going to texture that. Just grab this. No. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. And now you can just put our directional light a bit up. Yeah, there it is. So I'll just put that up. And you can add, yeah, it's not that. Just close all of this. And one thing in Unity, you shouldn't have a lot of asset packages because many of those packages also have the code, which actually you have to learn and just not drag and drop assets, which have all the code in it, and you just don't code. So now I ended up putting not a roof, but now I want to put. So I'll just duplicate that. Wait 1 second. Oh. Not the particle system, I want the door. Yes. So just move this up. Rotate these. Make it, let's say 90. And it's pitch dark over there, so not gonna see the roof. Extend this. Put it down, down, down. There you go. So now, same problem. It's pitch black and wait, there's a mistake in this area. I have a bit of a hole, so I want to cover that up. This. Yes. Now if we go inside, go to game object, I'm just doing the same thing. Light. Now instead of point light, just select spotlight. And I'm gonna position this in the very top. Gives range more, intensity way more. And well, where is it? Oh, it's there. Wait, where is it? I'm confused. Oh, it's down. Just position it in the proper area. Spot, change it to directional. And everything just becomes like that. So because the intensity is very high, so yeah, that will look good. Okay, and that's cool. And if we rotate this in the correct way, You can also change the color to whatever you like. Yellow, no, that's go. Let it be white. Increase the intensity. Let's put it 1. The target isn't seen so well. So what do we do for that is just duplicate this spot. Wait 1 second. Yeah, duplicate that. Go near, change this to spot. Put it near this, no, not point, spot. Yes. And just put it under this target. Is it actually under the target? No, it isn't. Yeah, if we increase the intensity way more, so there's no gaps. Okay, so that looks a bit weird. I can rotate the direction, this one, in such a way that it points that clearly. Nope. That didn't look good at all. Yeah, okay. And the other spotlight, I'm just gonna name this to target light. And I'm naming this to room light. What color could this be? I think that fits. Okay, now wait 1 second. Yeah, something's gone wrong with this, but you don't need the lava plane, so you can delete it if you'd like. Now if we go to our game view, we can see the target clearly. And I also want to change the color of our player. It's camouflaging with the flow, so let me go into our assets, colors, and matte player. We're gonna change this to something bluish. Something maybe like that. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so now you can change what the sphere should be. Maybe it can be a cube or a capsule or a cylinder. Plane. No, of course on a plane. If you'd like, you can. I'll just keep a cube or a sphere better. Now we want to add a ramp so we can easily jump onto this. But it'll get harder in the next levels. The first level should be easy. So I just made a cube. Position this thing. And make this Yeah, like that. Like this, a bit like that. Down. Right. If you actually jump on this, I feel like I'm not gonna hit the target. Okay, so let's play the game and see how it looks. Okay. Still loading. Look a bit. Still loading. Is it ready yet? Yes, it is. Okay, so So it's like it's slopey, but actually it's just flat. Hit the ramp and okay. So maybe I can tilt the ramp a bit and position it a bit front. I think that's fine. Play and see. Okay. Still a bit of a mistake. Okay, I guess that's fine. Has to be. Come on. Okay, so the level changes. And we can jump here. Great. So I think you guys know why we can jump here. Because we haven't deleted, the other one. Okay. So now let's make some falling cubes. So I'll just pause. So what I've basically done is I have made mini cubes here. And as you can see, I have all of them selected at once. And if you want to make them fall, you can just add a rigid body. Rigid body. There we go. Just do that. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so all of these guys have a rigid body and play. Yeah, there we go. All of them just fall in a row. So it feels a bit difficult to push them all. So what I do for that is go back and a bit of coding. At the first time I thought this wasn't coding, but just a bit of lines. So if we go to our assets, scripts, go. make another script and call this destroy underscore cubes. If you would like, you can give the, but I still have all selected, a material if you would like. So we can just open the destroy cubes. And that'll take us to the amazing Visual Studio. Still loading. Not responding still. Come on, faster. Okay, so that's finally come, so great. We don't need void start or void update. So you can delete all of those. You can add void update if you want, so just keep void update. Yeah, let that be there. And down we say, not in the loop, we say private void on, on mouse down, and then open parenthesis, or you can call brackets, click enter, backspace, open the curly brackets, and again hit enter, and then we here write destroy cubes, we write destroy brackets game object, semicolon at the end. Save this, go back in Unity, and instead of attaching to all the cubes, just select them all. This will take a couple of time. Come on, faster. Yes, that done. Wait. Nope. Not that. How did it get all selected? No, it didn't. And yes, that's all for the app. Just select all of these. Oh my god. Next time I should never do that, just select. What? Okay, there's a much better way to do this. Just do that.
and then add component. I could have thought of this destroy cubes. Yes. And we can also change this. Will it look good? Yeah, don't bother about that. And also change this to something cool, like cylinders, planes. Of course, no, planes is a very bad idea. Couple of planes stacked. Not good. Capsules, which one? Think capsules, yeah, that'll do. And instead of box collider, you might have guessed, we need Capsule Collider. There it is. Then you place on the colliders. Click outside. Play the game. Okay. Whoa, that was good. And now if we click on any of them, they just destroy. Come on, give me my way. I don't want to smash all of you because I had to hit the ramp. Yes. Oh. Come on, get that. No, none of you different to the ramp. Get that, yes, then that's good. Oh no. Destroy. Got to hit the ramp and move force. Go. Come on. Do. Please. Yes. Okay. So. Put one more. Another layer. So much to destroy. Okay, that's a lot of capsules. Okay, so that's great. Now let's open our other scene. Because of that, I just want to select all of these so it's easier for us. Okay, just control C this. Yup. And if we go to our scenes, level 2, save, go back into level 2. First, we just control V. And everything's back there. And we don't need the wooden texture just to make it a bit different. Let this be there. And now if you go back into level 1, save this. Okay, so why aren't we moving? Let's see, this is 1. Let's make it box collider. Yeah, that's fine. We should be moving fine. Yeah, it's completely fine until the garbage falls off. Okay, if you liked making this or if you want to learn a bit more code, you can of course share in the description box below. Until then, see ya!
So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section below. You can create your own game using these scripts. They are not necessary. You can only create these games using these scripts. And wait. Did you guys subscribe to my channel? If you didn't, please subscribe. So till then, bye.
Be strong.